You can also use Linspace to use, like there is this specific command x y equal to maybe you can clear the variables, maybe. Yeah. No, clear. Can you type clear? This is CLC for clearing the command window.
Yeah.
Not the variables. Left side way, all the variables are there, so that we need to clear. Enter. Clear also will work. Clear all will also work. Two types of are there. Okay, and then what I was going to do, I forgot. Okay, suppose you want to create a variable x. Okay, that has equal spacing between. Okay, you have equal spacing. Then use a linspace. Yeah, type linspace. LINSPACE. Bracket open. Yeah, give the interval in which you want to generate the numbers. Not x, maybe any numbers. 10 to 20, like you have given, right? Yeah, maybe you can give like that, 10, 20, comma, how many intervals you want? Any number. How many intervals you want to divide this 10, 20 into? 100 intervals, you can divide it. Comma 100, if you want to divide it for 100 intervals, bracket close. Yeah, enter.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you will see on the left hand side x, double click on the x, then the size is 100, right? It starts from 10, then it goes on adding small numbers until it reaches to 20, but these are of equal distance, all the points. Yeah. So it will divide the points into equal distance. Usually in interview questions also they ask this one. So suppose, yeah, you want to create 10 to 100 with 1000 intervals, then how you will do it?
Okay.
10 to 100 with 1000 intervals. Yeah. Yeah, enter. Yeah, so now you have the matrix size of 1000. Yeah, so yeah, this is how you can create equally spaced numbers.
Okay.
Yeah, using Linspace. And the other one using colon, you can give the interval by yourself and it will add it, and yeah, it will give you the output. Previously we were not sure like how many intervals how many numbers means how many indexes you want, but this time, yeah, you can give the range and then you can give the how many divisions you want, then it will give you that size only.
Okay.
Yeah, but that was not the case in the colon part. Yeah, suppose, yeah, now can you clear the variables? Yeah, this is about creating a vector. Okay, you can also transpose this vector. Okay, not clear now. Yeah, now x is equal to y is equal to, maybe y is equal to, yeah, x quotes, single quotes, right hand side, one quotes only, x quotes right hand side. Yeah, one quote. Yeah, enter. This operation is called transpose operation. As you can see, x has a size 1 cross 1000 and y has a size 1000 cross 1. Yeah, this is how you can change. It is now in the column format.
Hmm. Yeah.
Previously, yeah, x was in the row format.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So this is how you can change the formats into, yeah. Suppose if you want to divide these complete individual numbers with the help of 10. Suppose I want to divide the complete numbers of y with the help of 10.
Hmm.
Individually, I need to do it with a for loop, right?
Yes.
So then, yeah, in case of Matlab that you don't need to do, suppose you create a variable double y equal to y divisible by 100. Enter.
Hmm.
Yeah, now all the numbers are being divided by 100 at a time.
Okay.
Because matrix operation is the basic operation that happens in Matlab.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe, yeah, this will be enough for today. Maybe just to have a check, like mm, how to write the commands and all those things. We will do it in small steps so that it will be feel lighter to you when we go into the complex part.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, so yeah, every time, yeah, one point I have, yeah, when I put in the message like I will not be able to take the class, then yeah, I will not take the class. But till the point I have not put it in the group, yeah, it will, the class will be there.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because yeah, many things I'm managing, so yeah, it takes little time, but I will, yeah, I will join every time on time only. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, we will see the remaining part tomorrow. Yeah, anything you want to tell?
Today, three awareness. Introduction to MATLAB, data types, variables, and operators, vector
Yeah, yeah.
array, and matrices.
Yeah, data type and operations we are covering together, so that yeah, you will be able to know like how to manipulate the data also.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, this we will be completing in 3 classes. Okay, then yeah, it will be more clear to you, because if this is clear, then you can manipulate the data.